How are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, today I am going to teach you about things which we see in the TV lounge. As you know, children, that there are many things in the TV lounge which we use and see in our daily routine, like TV and TV trolley. TV and TV trolley. Scenery, scenery. Fan, fan. Carpet, carpet. Door, door. Windows, windows. Curtains, curtains. And many other things which we use and see in our daily routine in the TV lounge. I hope, children, you will learn this question at home with the guidance of your parents.